So, my dear friends, this is the time for today's session. And please switch your cameras on and make me able to see your face so that I can interact properly without putting any background after your head. And don't try to irritate me. So, you all are students. Some of you are small, some are big. Means we have the students from 4th, 5th class to the students of college or university. But we have in our education system, we have some levels: pre-primary, from LKG or nursery to second class; primary level, from third to fifth class; and upper primary or middle category, from sixth to eighth class; and secondary level education, ninth and 10th class; and higher secondary level, 11th and 12th class. And then we leave our school after passing 12th class and we go to college. And you have a different level there. You are not connected with boards, but you are connected with universities. And when you leave your school and when you move to colleges, this is called higher education. And in higher education, we have college study, graduation study. Like after leaving the school, we go to college, and according to our stream that we have chosen in school in 11th class, some of you do BSc, those who have science stream, and those who have arts, done graduation in art, do graduation in arts, and some who has commerce in 11th or 12th, they become graduate in commerce. So those are called BCom graduate. Bachelor of Commerce, Bachelor of Arts, and Bachelor of Science. These are the streams that we choose in our 11th class. And this is undergraduation level. But after clearing your graduation level, after passing your third year, you move to post graduation level, like MA for those who are BA, for MCom for those who are BCom, and MSc for those who have done their BSc. And also there are 2 years, as there are 3 years in graduation program: first year, second year, third year. And when you move towards post graduation, there are also 2 classes for you: MA previous and final. And these previous and final you have in all the streams, whether it is arts, commerce, or science. And but these are the academic levels. But some of you move towards professional degrees after passing your 12th class. So after passing your 12th class, some goes towards engineering, some goes towards medical stream, medical line. They try to become doctor, some try to become engineer. So when you leave your school and go to engineering college, this is for 4 years. This is also 4 years program, but it depends on the program. Like if you are going towards engineering, that is for 4 years. If you're moving towards medical, if you want to become a doctor, that is for 5 years or 6 years, where you get MBBS degree. But if you want to become an engineer, you also do graduation after college, that is called BTech, Bachelor in Technology. These are the professional degrees, professional courses. And MBBS matlab Bachelor in Medicine and Bachelor in Surgery. After it, like MA, MCom and BSc, you can move towards MTech after completing your BTech. And if you are in medical line, if you have done your MBBS, you move towards post graduation in medical line like MS, Master in Surgery, DM, MD, like. And some of you move towards teaching field, and where you do your B.Ed after completing your graduation. But these days, government conducts some integrated programs for some things, for some courses, like you can do B.Ed with BA, that is 4 years. And like that, you can do LLB with your BA, that is about 5 years course. So this way you have different streams where you have to build your future, your career. So I think you must have knowledge all about all this, so that it becomes easy for you to choose the path of your future or your career. So I think what I have said is clear to you all, and I think you have listened to it so carefully, and so now you have to repeat it in your own words. So this is our speaking session. Come on, I'm waiting for your names in the message box. Hurry up. Yes, very good. Yes, I have got the names of Rakshit, Gaurav. Come on, Rakshit, and elaborate it as much as you can. Now it depends upon you. I have spoken 7 minutes and 30 seconds. And in this period, in this span of time, I have told you the different levels of our exam, of our education. So now it is up to you to describe, to elaborate as much as you can in your own words. So very good. So we are starting with Rakshit, and I would like you all to listen to everyone so carefully, so that at the time of speaking you can speak properly. Okay? I want performance, and you must try to do it. Come on, Rakshit.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and today I'm giving my views on what sir has told us recently. Uh, and so we know that how our education system works. Means our Indian education system works in different stages, like other education systems. Like first we have the stage of school, then college, then for graduation there are colleges and universities, and then if we get a job, then we do our job. Like first, it starts at the beginning. The journey starts from school, and now we know that there are new classes added in the school life. In the school, like there are kindergartens for small children, and there are all, and before, and also there are primary, LKG, UKG, etc. classes are for children under the age of 5 years.
Hmm.
And then after 5 years, or at the age of 5 years, the children are eligible to get into the class of first class. And there they start the journey of primary classes. And then they study year after year, and move forward towards the next class. And as the classes, the level of classes increase, the level of education also increases. And after and after studying first to eighth class, the student come to the class of secondary classes, that is ninth and 10th. There they know, there they got to know about more there they got to know about more things, and they starts to study deeply about the things. And they comes to the senior secondary classes, that is from 11, that are 11th and 12th. There they and from in these classes they choose their stream in which they want to pursue their career. And there are different streams in our Indian education system, but mainly the streams are categorized in four in three three ways. First is the science in three subjects, you can say. First is science, second is commerce, and third is arts. And in this subject there are different subjects you can choose to study. And and in the 11th or 12th class you study about only about these subjects more deeply than the previous classes. And uh, and then after completing the school, and then then some people, some students starts to prepare for the competitive exams, and also for the entrance exams to get good colleges like IIT, AIMS, etc. And like there in India there are different exams conducted, and the entrance exams such as JEE, so that people can get selection in IITs and IITs and different colleges. And there are government also conduct the NEET exam, as so that if the per- so that the students who clear the NEET exam get into the government medical colleges, and like AIMS. And uh, and in this they do their professional degrees such as BTech, MTech, and MBBS, DM, etc. There are different degrees. And uh, and they get and most of the time the students get placements, and they start to do their jobs in the career they have chosen. And also and also there are different competitive exams that gives direct that gives the direct way to the job, like there like UPSC, SSC. And the students who clear these exams get a job in the civil services and different fields for which the exams are being conducted. And uh, and also if people do not want to do these professional degrees, or do not want to compete in these competitive exams, so there are also different degrees for them, like BA, for arts students. And after doing BA they do, if they want, if they want, they do MA. And for science students there is BSc. uh, uh, and the full forms of these are Bachelor of Arts, in Arts, and Bachelor of Science for BSc, and for MSc Master in Science. And after and when the science student completes his BSc degree, and so he if he likes, he will go to he can go to the degree for MSc. And like this there are also degrees for commerce students, that are BCom, Bachelor in Commerce, and MCom, Master in Commerce. And so these are degrees so that a person can graduate by getting these degrees. And after his or her schooling. And for taking these degrees, students have to study for a few years to complete their graduation. Like there is a tenure for some degrees of 2 years, and for some degrees there is the tenure for 3 years, and etc. Means etc. And so this is how our education system works. So at last, I want to say that in which profession or in which field you are going, so do your best. That's it, sir.
Shabash. Very good. Nice speaking. Keep it up, beta. Gaurav.
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone, I'm Gaurav here, and my today's topic is about the stages of a school or the education of a student. So, first of all, he born. Then, after 2 to 3 years, his parents throw him in the jail or school, and he starts at PG. He learns ABCD 1 2 3 and that basic things. Then, after completing the pre-primary, he enters the first class. In the first class, he learns about addition, subtraction, multiplication. This is the primary section, and he is likely to do. He can do basic math and can read a chapter and explain something to a person. But after that, he comes in the senior wing or the sixth class above. There he learns science, math, and it's just a pressure on it.
Hmm.
And if he or she manage to handle that pressure, so he will not get crushed in under those big two mountains. Then after sixth class, then seventh, then eighth, then ninth, then 10th. In the 10th, he gives his first board, where he is very nervous and trying not to fail, and obviously trying to cheat in the exam also.
Hmm.
But it's a bad thing. Exam center, and after he gets the result, and if he or she is passed, so he will get happy and all these. But some parents are not happy even after seeing their children pass because they want top result. And even after 99.999, they say where is the 0.11
Hmm.
0.0011%.
Hmm.
Why?
Hmm.
Then after all this, after 10th, he's in 11th, he's confused that what stream he should choose.
Hmm.
He see many options like art, science, maths, uh, and many other options. He's confused. Then he asks somebody, or he's forced to take a stream. There are many situations in it. But he finally takes a stream. Then he studies 12th. Then he gets in college. A new life starts there. He had to choose. Then he will study about his stream more and more. Or some people even fight competitive exam in this time.
Hmm.
But some people don't. And after college, if he gets a job earlier or starts a business earlier, so his life is set. Then he will grow his business or do good in the job, and then his college life will end in like 4 to 5 years.
Hmm.
And he will get married, and then the education life is over. The board is over.
Hmm.
That's it. Thank you, sir.
Very good, beta. Nice celebration, beta. Shabash. Natural thoughts. Keep it up. Come on, Anuj.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Anuj and today the topic can be called education system in India. So, as we all know that we are humans and we get education in our life. So, education is not a thing or or a point that can be achieved, or that's over that time. It's a lifelong process for of learning skills, values, ethics, manners, etc. So in India, education has become only to be a to make money or to be settled somewhere, to being with family, no matter he or she is happy or not. So in India, when a child is born, uh, he's grown, he's brought up by his parents
mm,
from 1 to 3 years in
mm,
house only.
mm,
So in this time period, he learns to speak, to react, to respond, to walk, to run, to eat, to sleep, etc. And then it comes to the time for his schooling, which is a preschooling, which is from which is from nursery to KG. And then when it completes, it's for 3 to 5 years old, and then it comes to uh, the class from 1 to 5th. It is called uh, primary school. So then he covers it. Then he passes through middle school, which is from class 6th to 8th, and then the classes that are the classes that are commonly called as secondary, which are 9, 10, 10th. Then there is a turning point in a student's life, because he is separated from the subjects what is chosen by him.
mm,
And then the two main classes, like 11th or 12th,
mm,
are called high school.
mm,
So in high school, when someone passes high school, the confidence is high. A student thinks that I'm going to be a bachelor now, and I might be free all the time.
mm,
I might study sometimes, but majorly I would enjoy. But it's no more. The habit of being comfortable comes from the college, I would say.
mm,
Then a student may uh, lose the habit of study.
mm,
And then uh, the commonly things that are commonly pursued by the students of India are like from 12th, when he or she chooses subjects. If he chooses science, he is uh, he is weighted by uh, the things related to science, like do JE or NEET, get IITs. Uh, and if he chooses arts, he or she is forced to compete exams,
mm,
competition exams, government exams. And if he chooses commerce, he is required to be a chartered accountant.
mm,
Uh, so it depends on the child, not on the child but on the student. But sometimes parents force the child to be in the profession the parents want.
mm,
But sometimes the student gets scared of studies and of success, that if what if not, what if I don't get it or I lose it.
mm,
So that time it's the state of depression and anxiety, and he is hopeless that time. And there are also different options, but commonly in India, if I ask someone that what to do after 12th, he
mm,
would commonly say, uh, be a doctor, be an engineer, be a chartered accountant, compete government exams, or that's it. But this is not the ultimate goal that should be in that should be given to a student, because there are endless career options. But it is sad that uh, government job is given respect, but private can earn respect. So it depends on you how you pursue the things and what you want to do in your life. So there is a common thing that is called passion. So people say that follow your passion. So there are two people that take patience. Someone who say that passion is bullshit. It is not worth it, and make your money. And there is second type of people who are like, I want to follow my passion, but I don't know what my passion is. So passion is not a hidden treasure, or like a hidden treasure that you can found. It is a treasure that can be found by doing different types of things. And like I do, like for example, I do cycling, uh, photography. I make memories. I make videos, or so I may found my career like filmmaking, cycling. I may be a better cyclist, and I may be a better photographer. So the passion comes from there, and we are the ones who are means we are surrounded by old government job trap, and we are that's it, sir.
Very good, यार. Nice use of words. Keep it up. सब नेचुरल तरीके से आ रहा है. यही चाहिए होता है. Yes, come on, Anju.
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone. My name is Anjali Meena, and today's topic is the journey of uh, that thing that sir tells us now before the class starts. So, when we are now, I am a fifth class student. So, we call student now.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir. Now, I am fifth class student. When we are in third, when a children born, children born at first year, he knows speaking and trying to speak. At 3-4 years, he goes to school and come to the primary math type. When he came to the
केम
first
क्यों
class,
कम आएगा ना. केम क्यों आएगा. पास्ट में तो आएगा ही
come
नहीं कुछ भी.
to the first class,
Hmm.
there he learned multiplication, addition, subtraction, basic things. In second class, he learned
Learns.
shape,
मैंने कहा ना पास्ट में नहीं आएगा ये.
learns the type of shapes, things, and about the environment. Also, in third class, he learned geometry, basic geometry, data handling, addition, subtraction, also as a
Very
revision,
good. शाबाश. हाँ.
and other things. In that type, we got a revision all
Get.
chapters. At that time, we got
Get.
chapter
प्रेजेंट टेंस यूज होगा. आपके चाटा खाइए अगर पास्ट टेंस यूज किया तो.
get all the things that we learn in first or second.
Learned नहीं.
Learn in second and first we get these things. as a revision.
Hmm.
In fourth, we got addition, subtraction as well, data handling, upper geometry, we can say it, shapes, other types, tiles, shape, and other things.
Hmm.
In fifth class, he learned about data handling, multiplication, every English thing, English. He learned English hard type. And he learned that he learned everything at that time. He'll think that it is hard, but it's not. Like, yeah. In sixth class, he learned so many math, and I don't even learn that.
Hmm.
And after that, we are talking about eighth now because it will be
Uh,
eighth. He learned that hard type, that geometry, triangles, type of triangles, uh, different types of division, different types of multiplications, and in 10th, he got his boards. He got his boards and he learned, he has a pressure to pass it.
hmm.
And in 11th, he have to take, he or she have to take a subject that they want to learn.
Hmm.
I think if anyone wanted to become an IAS, so he want all subjects
Hmm.
or something else, so he can take that type.
Hmm.
And in from the 11th, he started preparing. He also have pressure of preparing that he all subject that he took and the and preparing and the passing of 12th class. He had the most pressure that time for a student. And after he passes, when he give an exam, when he prepares everything well, he have pressure but not too much like
He
a
has
12.
he के साथ have नहीं आता है, has आता है, ध्यान दे.
Has
हाँ.
he has no pressure like 12th class student, and he prepares, and when he passes that, so he got his job. So that's it, sir.
Very good. अच्छा है, थोड़ा सा वर्ब पे फोकस किया करो आप, है ना. वर्ब फॉर्म पे थोड़ा फोकस किया करो आप. बाकी आपका है सब कुछ ठीक है. थोड़ा सा ध्यान दे बेटा, है ना. हाँ. ये लक्ष्मी.
Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi Gujjar. Today my topic is about our education system. As you know that a child born when he become 2 or 3 year, his parents send to him to her and his in the school, and he come in primary school. After it he move in upper primary school,
Hmm.
and as you know that he go in secondary school, that is 9 to 10, and after it a children
A child, children
children
कैसे आएगा, सिंगुलर प्लूरल का
sir,
ध्यान रखो थोड़ा.
a child
हाँ.
a child have to choose
Has to
their
choose, ध्यान
their
रखो वर्ब फॉर्म पे, मैंने उस दिन भी समझा रहा हूँ बार बार आपको. हाँ.
yes sir, has to choose their field, and some parents force them to choose according their profession,
Hmm.
and
According
a
to their
student
profession. हाँ बोलो.
choose choose
Chooses.
a
डांट
student
खाएगी किसी दिन बहुत
chooses
जोर से तू.
a
हाँ.
student chooses bio in under the pressure of their family, and after 12th pass he realized he realized that I can't do best in the field, and after it a student chooses BA for taking degree, and he thinks that BA is common, and he can pass easily in the field of BA, and after BA a student have to go has to go in the field of MA, and nowadays our government has declared that a student can take both degree BA and B.Ed in 4 year, and some student like to go in the field of teacher, and some student yes sir, teaching, and some student like to go in the field of business. They only think that I they only think that they will go in the field of business, and they know about business, and they do not have general knowledge about government nokri
government jobs,
and some student take degrees. That's why they can get good job in any type of field, and and some student want to yes sir, some students want to go in competition exam. That's why they can get government job,
so that
and
they can get, that's why नहीं, so that
yes, sir.
जिससे कि
So that they can get government job, and according to their field, they prefer to go in this type of field, and a student want to do best in their field, and different, and a student can go different in different type of field, and the field, and a student depend for their goal, and if a student do hard work, he or she can get their goal easily, and student should do their best, that so that they will achieve their goal.
can achieve. थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखो, ए स्टूडेंट बोल रहे हो तो फिर दे कैसे आएगा उधर, थोड़ा सा फोकस करना है इन्हीं चीजों पे। रिकॉर्डिंग सुना करो आप बाबू, धीरे धीरे पता चलने लग जाएगा कहाँ पर क्या है। सब कुछ ठीक है लेकिन इन चीजों को ठीक करो थोड़ा सा, है ना। हाँ यस, आई थिंक काजल, where is Kajal? I think she is not here. Okay, Vaishnavi.
Yes, sir. Good evening, all of you. I'm Vaishnavi, and today I'm telling about the education system in India. You know that in India, the education system is not good, and if we compare to the other countries, the other countries' education is very good, rather than India's education system. And if we talk about education system in our country, uh, you know that the uh, when a child is born, and he grows, when he grows and when he when he comes to the age of 2 or 3, and his or her parents uh, join school to him or her, and he had to face the school life. You know that there are three stages in the school life, like primary classes, secondary classes, and higher classes. uh, I'm telling about the primary classes. You know that primary classes means the nursery classes, LKG, UKG classes, first, second, third classes, etc. And in this classes, he or she had to uh, learn some things like addition, subtraction, alphabets, and vowels, etc. And teacher had to teach
हेड क्यों
him or her,
हेड क्यों हैज आएगा ना, हेड क्यों आएगा बेटा, प्रेजेंट में तो चलेगा सारा.
has to teach him or her in swar, vyanjan, etc. in Hindi. And if we talk about the the secondary classes, the secondary class beings in the sixth, seventh, eighth, and ninth classes. And he had to faces the, like, some subjects he has to read the subjects like EVS, moral science, computer, GK, etc. And after this class, uh, he has to enter in the classes of 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. And after after the complete
After completing,
after the
after completing,
after completing after completing the 10th board, he has to choose the he has to choose the uh, if he want to choose arts faculty, so he has to if he has to choose the arts faculty. And um, if he want to become a IS officer, RS officer, and so he will choose the arts faculty. And if we talk about the other streams like science and commerce, so in the science faculty, he has to choose the BSc and and BTech, MTech,
तसल्ली से बोलो, और हमको जल्दबाजी नहीं, धीरे धीरे बोलो.
MTech, and MBBS degree. And he has to complete the exam of JEE and and NEET exam. So this was the this was the science faculty. And I'm telling about the commerce faculty. If he choose the commerce faculty, he has to take the BCom and MCom, MBA, and MBA, BBA, etc. And and he if he want to become a accountant and uh, accountant or income tax officer, etc. So he have to clear these he have to
हैज टू
he
बेटा,
have,
ही के साथ हैज लगाएगी, हैव कैसे लगाएगी?
sorry sir, he has to choose these degrees. So this was the I'm telling about the education system in India. Thank you sir. That
ओके बेटा, थोड़ा सा फोकस करना बेटा अभी, है ना, वर्क पे और दूसरी चीजों पे फोकस करो बेटा, सुना करो अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग जरूर, तभी इम्प्रूवमेंट होएगा बेटा। अभी चाहिए अपने को थोड़ा सा इम्प्रूवमेंट, है ना। खुशी अभी बोलेगी क्या बेटा? आ जा।
Yes, sir. Hello and good evening to all of you. My name is Kushi Gujar. I am telling about education system in India. You know very well, in primary level, in primary level we learn many things. First of all, alphabet and words, sentence, paragraphs, step by step. And after primary level, we are capable in enter secondary level. In secondary level, we learn many things.
टू एंटर।
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. In a secondary level, we learn many things: how to write answer in an examination, and how to increase our learning skill, writing, reading, etc. And after 10 year, after 10th class, we are capable to choose subjects. Most of the students choose their subjects there according their parents, and most of the students choose choose their subject to their self. And some students choose subject in their parents pressure, and after 1 year, 2 year, few year, they realize that they can't do anything in this field, field subject. So our government give us second opportunity. We change our subject in the first year. Most of the students change their subject in first year, like bio, after arts. So after 12th class, we are capable to uh, university
वी आर कैपेबल टू
study.
स्टडी इन यूनिवर्सिटी।
Yes, sir.
आराम से बोलो, घबराओ मत।
Yes, sir. In university course is 3 year of theory, and we 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 complete their MA, sorry sir, their BA, BSc and BCom. After it, we do MA, MSc, MCom, and you know very well, everyone has two purpose for any field, any job. Like first purpose is better salary, because better salary give us better facilities and better opportunities. And second, enhance their name and famous their name. And you know very well, we enter any field, so we can become their fields, we can get their fields job, like we we take bio science, we can become a doctor, nurse, etc. And only teacher is a job that choose any subject. We can become teacher. And so at last I want to say that everyone should give their 100% in any field, any job, any work. That's it, sir.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया. और फोकस करना है थोड़ा सा बोलते समय, है ना. रिकॉर्डिंग जरूर सुनिए, अपने जो पता चलेगा कहाँ पर हम क्या कर रहे हैं. सिमरन कहाँ है? आ जा बेटा. नहीं है क्या? है तो सही. चलो आने दो इसको जब तक. हर्ष भी नहीं है शायद. चलो बाद में देखेंगे इसको. आदित्य.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Aditya, and today's our topic is about our education system. As we know that first we learn primary level things like A, B, C, D, K, K, G, etc. Then we start write new words and about reading books, etc. And then we learn about then we come in fifth class, and we learn so many things in mathematics and other subjects. We calculate other things and how to use recycle and reuse that thing, how to speak our elders, etc.
Nice flow, very good.
Then we come in secondary class. Then they start sixth to ninth class. Then we start a new subject like science, social science, history, etc. And these subjects we learn and we learn new things and very nice things which who can motivate to complete our dreams, because science can do anything. And in social science we can learn about our earth, which is very nice thing if we want to become a scientist. So social science is very helpful for us. Then we come in 10th class, and we start and then in when we give board exams, and then student know that what should he do and how to prepare their competition exam, and they always do hard work. Then he choose their favorite subject, like anyone take social science and math, yeah, etc. Then he learned that subjects carefully and focus, and he successfully get good marks in their examination if we do hard work. Then we come in college. Before college, we prepare JEE and a client. We prepare for JEE and a client exam, NEET exam, etc. Then in college we spend our 4 years in college. Then our career made very big, and we became any RBS, RAS. become a RJS, RAS, inspector, IAS, etc. Then then we become, if we become now, I think some students are, I think they do job, and I can understand that, I can understand how they reach their that position, because they do hard work and learn that subjects, which they who they which they uh, which they take in 11th or 10th class. And at last, I want to say that education, study and education is not hard. We only use our mind. We can do anything in our life. Yes, that's it.
शाबाश बेटा, वेरी गुड बेटा. थोड़ा सा और फोकस करना है बेटा, है ना? हाँ बेटा. अन्नू, अन्वी.
So yes, sir. Hello everyone. Today's my topic is what sir has explained us. So as you know, first a child. Sir, देखभाल को क्या बोलता है?
Look after.
Take after by the parents.
Take after is looked after.
It is looked after by the parents. The parents give the knowledge about sleeping, crying, laughing, about some vehicles, vegetables name, fruits name, I think ABCD, countings, etc. So then a child be in PG. PG is also same like this. The look that how the parents look after in the PG is this same routine. Will sir चलने को क्या बोलते हैं?
क्या चलना?
सर मतलब ये रूटीन चलेगा.
Goes on, will go on.
It goes on in HKG and HKG. सर HKG के बाद कौन सी क्लास होती है?
मेरे को नहीं पता, इतना मत सोचो तू, है ना? इतना तो HKG होती है. HKG के बाद तो फर्स्ट हो जाती है बेटा मेरे ख्याल से. नर्सरी, LKG, UKG and then first.
After this all classes we go in first class. We are able to learn anything, and sir समझने को क्या बोलते हैं? Mature, some understand and some mature about things.
Become mature about
and
things. Become mature about things.
And become mature about things. I think till first to fifth this routine will done. Then at sixth we are serious to take studies, and we do our work very nicely, and we are very mature and everything, and we can frame our question easily, and we can explain our thoughts also to other one, and etc. Till 8 we are like this, and then in 9 we know the meaning of studies, that what should be done and what subject we have to choose after it, and so on. And in 10th we सर समझने को क्या बोलूं?
Understand. Focus करो थोड़ा.
Okay, sir. Understand what we understand nicely what subject is to be taken. in 11th we take our subject. Someone who take his or her subject by own, and someone take nahi, someone subject is chosen by his or her parents or any elder one to him or her. So in 11th or 12th we study what subject we have taken, like science we have taken, arts we have taken, commerce we have taken, etc. If we have taken science and we have to be a doctor, so we have to sir give NEET exam. सर कौन सी क्लास में देना पड़ता है नीट एग्जाम?
बेटा 12th के बाद होता है, after passing 12th.
After passing 12th,
हाँ.
we have to give NEET exam, and after giving NEET exam we are in stress that we will pass or fail, and all subject we have the same routine, but there is a change of subject only. And if we are pass in NEET, so we will do MBS. I think so. I don't know very detailed in it. I think we have to do MBS degree after that. And if we are, and there is not MS degree, very detailed process is it, but I don't know very detailed, so I am telling about it. And after MBBS there is also many exams, and at the last I want to say that if you do hard work, you will to do it. So that's it.
Very good बेटा थोड़ा सा फोकस और करो अभी, है ना, चीजों को और थोड़ा पकड़ो बेटा, है ना. वेरी गुड. यस, नाउ हर्ष. अच्छा सिमरन है, चलो कोई बात नहीं, हर्ष आ जाओ पहले, फिर सिमरन को ले लेंगे. हर्ष.
Yes, sir. Sir, yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harsh. Today I am going to tell. Sir, बीच में कोई बोल रहा है.
सिमरन इसके बाद ले लेते हैं बेटा तेरे को, है ना, हर्ष के बाद.
Yes, sir. So may I continue? Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harsh. Today I am going to tell you about different.
सिमरन पहले तुमको बोलना है.
Sir, I can wait.
सिमरन गई, तुम बोलो बेटा.
Yes, Simran Didi. Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harsh. Today I am going to tell you about different stages in the Indian education system. So, as we all know that we all are students except sir, and we all know that what are the different stages of our life on which we get to learn new things for our career and for our upcoming life. And many people say that this stage of life, that is mainly adulthood, is just one step. Don't be so panic or so worried about it. But I am totally against that. We should be worried about this, as this is the only thing which will decide next 80 years of our future. And if we devote our whole life, sir, what is chodna? Leaving every entertainment aside, just focusing on this, then we can make our next 40 to 50 years life easy going. So first of all, it's the childhood from which a child starts to go at school, and he starts from pre-primary or primary. I don't know about that, but he starts from there to 12th class, and then he does his and at a basic level, he learns how to speak to among the other children, and he learns how to eat, read, write, listen to other person, etc. And the second stage is the main and the most important, that is the senior wing. In this way, you have to decide where you want to go in your life, what will be your what will be your passion, what the subject you are choosing, what will the way you will learn, and what the other things you will do in your life. So this is the senior wing, or I say senior age of our life. Then it comes the last of our education, that is the college life, and this is the life that you will love the most on the second place. The first will be your school life, as it will be of 12 years, and in 12 years you will make many new friends. You will do a lot of things that will entertain you. That you will make new friends. You will get punishment. You will learn how to get away from any situation, and how to put blame on a other friend of yours. It will be a lot fun. And in college life, you can do. Many people say that you can do anything, but I don't think so. As in college life, also, if you want to get degree of anything, then you must study. Otherwise, if you fail there, then the whole 12 years of your life will be wasted. But I don't know much about it. That if we fail, then we get degree or not. Sir, may you please tell me, sir?
हाँ बेटा.
Sir, may you please tell me that do we get degree after failing in a college?
No. After failing in college,
So
you can't get degree.
So if many people take the college, many people does not take college seriously, and as the sir said that we cannot take we do not get a degree of the college.
Cannot get, beta. Cannot get.
We cannot get the degree of our college of which we are preparing for. And if you fail in the college, then your whole 12 years of life that you spent in your school will be wasted. So I advise you to give more preference to give seriousness to the college life also. You should, but the fun should always go side by side. That's it, sir.
Very good. शाबाश. बेटा थोड़ा वर्क फॉर्म पे फोकस करो. अभी मिस्टेक आ रही है, वो नहीं आनी चाहिए बेटा. थोड़ा तो फोकस करो. सिमरन,
Okay,
आ
sir.
जा बेटा.
As an I'm student and yes, sir. Today I'm hearing about the stages of Indian education. As well as that, there are a lot of stages, but in school, um, three stages of education. First, primary stage, and uh, secondary stage, and the third, higher stage. In the first stage, students also learn the foundation of education, and in the second stage, students learn about many subjects like science, mathematics, and social science, uh, and many other subjects. And he has a lot of subjects. But in higher stage, student has their favorite subject, and in this stage, student also free for choosing subject because it is a flexible stage. And in this stage, student feel like student feel free because he chooses uh, there's subject whatever who want, and and after after the uh, after the school, he enter in a college life, and he enter in the uh, de- in the stage of degrees, and uh, and uh, he he choose whatever he chooses in in the 11th 12th class, and uh, he choose the BA, BSc, BCom, and if he want left their degree in a in a in 1 year, he also left, and but he get only a certificate, and he left in 2 years. He also get a diploma, and he left in a 3 year 4 year their degree. He get their diploma, proper diploma, matlab I mean proper degree. And after this, if he want if he wanna if he want he want uh, master masters in any subjects, do masters in any subject when he choose. But after any degree, many a lot of students enter in a uh, enter in a uh, competitive uh, competitive exams, and he also try fight many competition. He will try uh, like fight at JE and um, RS exam, IS exam, etc. That's it, sir.
शाबाश बेटा. आज तेरी आवाज थोड़ी सी डिस्टर्ब हो रही थी कुछ.
सर मैं आउटसाइड हूँ सर. मैंने बोला था ना कि
कोई बात नहीं बेटा, फिर भी बहुत अच्छा किया है बेटा तूने. शाबाश बेटा. कीप इट अप बेटा, वेरी गुड बेटा.